Hey guys, this is Sala. Today we are going to discuss the key features available on the Amcrest View and Amcrest Cloud websites. We will compare these two websites to establish how to use each website appropriately. The Amcrest View website is primarily used for remote viewing from any Amcrest IP camera at any time and from anywhere. The Amcrest Cloud website enables you to store, view, and play back only motion detection recordings from Amcrest IP cameras at any time and from anywhere. Let's explore the key features for each website in detail now. We will begin with the Amcrest View website. You can access the Amcrest View website by typing in www.amcrestview.com into the URL of a web browser. If you are using a Mac, we suggest using Safari. If you are using a PC, we suggest using Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox. Log in with your username and password. If this is your first time accessing the website, please click on the Register Now button to register for an account. If you would like to connect to one specific device directly, click on the Device tab and log in. If you logged in under the User tab, you will be redirected to the Amcrest View user interface. Under the Device tab, you can add and view all connected devices. In the Account tab, you can change your username, country, and email at any time, as well as turn on notifications to receive emails from amcrestview.com. If you would like to change your password, you can do so by clicking on the Change Password tab. Let's review the features in the Device tab in more detail now. Here, you can add new devices by clicking on the Add Device button. Once you add your device, it will appear in the device table. In order to live view your camera, click on the blue eye icon next to device name. The Play page will open in a new tab in your web browser. If the screen appears to be blank, click on the IPC button on the top right to activate Live View. The camera will be automatically set to Substream, or S, which is standard view. You can improve the quality of the video by switching to Mainstream, or M. Now the camera will stream in higher quality. The live view controls include the option to record audio and video, adjust volume, snap screenshots of the video stream, and to zoom in and out of the video. Please note, for video recording, you must have an SD card inserted in your IP camera. In addition to these controls, there are several other key features available on the Play page. For instance, you can adjust the camera direction, speed, iris, zoom, and focus, as well as add, delete, or switch between camera presets. You can save up to 80 different presets based on your personal preferences. If you have 2 or more devices connected, you can click on the multi-view options available at the bottom of the screen. This feature enables you to view 64 cameras at one time. You can also click on the full screen button to enlarge your video screen. Please note, all live view controls can be configured individually and are available on the top right-hand corner of the viewing screen. To view your recordings, click on the Playback tab. On the right-hand side, you can select a date to review and switch between channels. At the bottom of the viewing screen, you have the option to play, stop, slow down, or forward your videos, as well as adjust the volume. To review playback of a specific time, click on the timeline You can also click on the timeline zoom to zoom in and out of the timeline. If you would like to adjust the timeline view settings, please check or uncheck the box for All, General, Motion, or Alarm. Finally, if you would like to change your password, click on the Change Password tab. When you are done, click on Back to Play Page to return to the Live tab. Now, let's discuss the key features available in the Amcrest Cloud website. You can access the Amcrest Cloud website by typing in www.amcrestcloud.com into the URL of a web browser. Log in with your username and password. If this is your first time accessing the website, please click on the Register Here button to register for an account. Then click Try It Now to register for your free account. Please note, the free Amcrest Cloud service plan will only allow you to view the last 4 hours of playback and that the camera will only record for 15 minutes without interruptions. Once you log in, you will be redirected to the Amcrest Cloud user interface. If you are a returning user, you may have noticed the website has been updated with a new homepage located in the Cloud tab. Here, you will see the viewing screen and the playback timeline. In the viewing screen, you have the option to pop out the viewing screen in a new window or enlarge the screen to full screen mode. The gear icon will give you 2 additional options: motion detection and pan and tilt, or PT. In motion detection, you will be able to select a specific area to detect motion. Pan and tilt enables you to adjust camera direction. The Set Home feature enables you to set the camera in a specific direction. If you intentionally or unintentionally adjust the camera direction using the PT arrows, just click on the Set Home button to return it to your desired preference. Below the viewing screen, you have the option to modify the timeline for events based on different time periods. You can select a date to view previous day recordings based on your payment plan. In the playback timeline, you can add your camera. Once you add your camera, you can click on the drop-down menu to adjust camera configurations. Edit allows you to change camera name, quality, sensitivity, notifications, motion detection, image appearance, and IR mode. The pop-out option allows you to open the viewing screen in a new window. Depending on how many cameras you have added on the cloud, you will have the ability to pop out each camera simultaneously in its own window. Lastly, you can delete the camera from the cloud. Additional features can be viewed in the drop-down menu located on the top right-hand corner of the screen. These include Upgrade, where you can upgrade your payment plan for 7, 14, or 30 days. Schedule, where you can set up motion detection. You can select it by day, time, and preferred camera. You can also add your email account to receive notifications for motion detection and camera health check alerts. To activate notifications, please go back to the playback timeline. Select a camera, and turn on the notifications toggle switch in the Edit Camera settings. Settings currently provides scheduling options. Edit Profile, where you can update profile information. Billing Details, where you can add or update billing information. Cancel your payment plan, or delete your account. The Add Camera option is an alternative way to add a camera to your playback timeline for live viewing. To turn camera on or off, the Turn Camera On or Off option will enable or disable motion detection throughout all your cameras at once, as opposed to individually. By default, all cameras are turned on, but the menu option will stay turned off. Last but not least, Sign Out, where you can log out of your account. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our other videos from Amcrest Technologies.